pathway, guys. There you go. Winds up like that, and goes right there. And of course, you can be like those guys chilling over there too. Dang. You know, every time the sun comes out for like 2 seconds, the whole place just looks so good, bro. Guys. Let's keep walking up. I think there's a higher elevation spot that we can go to, and then we can have a better shot of the lake. So forward unto dawn. It's harder to film with the phone. I'm supposed to use my GoPro, but I don't have the attachment. Still gonna hold it like a phone, so I might as well use the Pixel. Here's another shot, guys. There you go. Oh my goodness. I don't know how blue it's gonna be on post-production. Like, at least on my phone. Although I do have an IPS screen on the Pixel. But man, it's so blue. Look at that. Sheesh. Very nice, very nice. This is where the money shot is. Man, even the background here looks so good. Look at the mountain. This is the spot. You can see all of the lake plus the mountains. Wow, looks so good. It's just amazing, man. There's a continuation right there. I guess that's the next spot where people can go. And Instagrammable spots right there. So I don't know if that's allowed. I mean, you know, they have all these signs, this one, but no one seems to be following it, so whatever. Oh wow. Dang, oh wow, look at this spot. Dang. Amazing. Alright guys, see, that's where the parking lot is. I'm gonna continue walking, but ooh, wow, what a view over here. Look at that. Sheesh. There you go. See? When the sunlight is out, it literally glows, man. It's so blue. There's like a small platform here. There we go. Whoa. There's the lake behind me. Look at this. Man. So quiet it is. Oh. Nature's amazing. It is amazing. Okay, I'm gonna continue walking. Oh, this is a nice. Look at that. This is your view while you're walking here. Whoa. Majestic mountains. Woo. Oh, yeah. So that's where we alighted earlier. See? That's where the bus is. And everyone was walking towards you. This is what I mean, that area. That's the lodge. You can actually rent those lodges. You can stay here. It's Moraine Lake Lodge Resort. Sheesh. Another view over here. Look at that. Oh yeah, there's something I want to show you guys. So that's the parking lot, right? And then we hike here, all the way up here. There's a view of the lake. But you guys see that peak right there? And you can kind of see those stone formations. That's right, you can actually hike that. The trail goes right there, goes around, and then you just kind of go up here. Takes like trail probably takes like 3 to 4 hours if you're like fit, because like you have to keep going up. It's not like a nice slope. The elevation is just goes like way up, right, like that. So man, Lake Moraine is like, if you're on top of this, you know, whatever this hill or whatever, full of rocks, like everywhere you look, it's just full of amazing nature. Like you can bust out your camera and just like, you know, just take a picture or whatever. There's like a small trail here. Let's go here. It's very windy, so if all you guys are hearing I apologize. I don't have a Rhodes microphone. Maybe if I start earning money, then yes, I will buy one. That would be amazing. Oh man. Sheesh. Dang. I know I keep saying wow, but like this is just amazing, man. I could come here in the morning and literally just sit down until the bus has to pick me up. Alright guys, I'm going back. I've been up there for almost a couple hours, so just admiring the nature. Yeah, and it's like 3 o'clock, and I think when the sun sets it's around 5 p.m. because it you know, it's in the mountains, right? So the drive towards my my campsite is like an hour from here, so I need to go back right now if I don't want to set up my tent in complete darkness. So usually campgrounds don't have lights. It's gonna suck if I have to set it up without sunlight. So let's go. Oh yeah, I'll show you the trail going back. I came from there. Now we're going back, and the view is just, look at that, man. This is why my channel is called Mark Bugao, because that's what I'm chasing, guys. Awesome. Alright, perfect. No more More weird steps. Before I go back, you know, and leave, I should probably show you guys the lodge. Super expensive lodge, like 700 a night. Ridiculous. Moraine Lake Lodge. Let's go. Anyways, right there. Yeah, Moraine Lake. Yeah, ground level. And that's where you rent the boat, just behind there. I think it's like $90 for an hour. The same amount as in Banff, or I mean Lake Louise. So, and of course the bear. High five, bro. All right, there you go. It's a gift shop, but it's also the reception for if you rented a lodge here. So there you go, guys. That's basically the whole building. I mean, I don't. It's a gift shop. I'm not sure if there's even anything I can show you there. It's a gift shop, right? But we can admire the outside. Looks nice. Look at that. And of course you can buy snacks and you can eat in there. Wow. Anyways, that's it. That's the lodge. It's basically a gift shop and a snacks bar. Anyways, I gotta go back. Like I said, I don't want to stay here till 4 and then have to drive and I reach there by 5 and there's not gonna be sunlight. I need the sunlight, guys. So let's walk back. And even the walk back to the the bus is right there. The shuttle. It's just man. You know these buses? They have like a time slot, right? And they have this thing called Alpine, which is like at 4 a.m. To 5 a.m. time slot. Maybe next time when it's not that cold. As you can see, I'm wearing like a jacket right now. It's a little bit cold. Yeah, when it's not that cold anymore, I should probably come here during the Alpine time and yeah, just stay here until like 3 or 4. Can bring my own lunch here, bring a chair and enjoy the nature, There you go. Lake Connector shuttle to Lake Louise. There you go. It's a short walk. That's the lake. Short walk towards the shuttle. Literally where we came from. So, alright, let's line up.